Hi, welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Anuja.
And I'm Hithal, and today we're making a yummy cilantro jalapeno ranch dressing dip.
Very versatile.
Spread.
Right. This recipe was shared to us by Kristen Hueske from Houston, and it is absolutely divine. I believe she makes it in bulk and almost gives it around to all her friends and gets requests for it all the time. So it's a very easy recipe. Let's just get started.
Alright. So for this recipe, you're going to need a nice blender because we are going to be grinding some of our ingredients in there. So we have that ready, and here's our ingredients.
So here I have a little biggish bunch of cilantro. I washed it. I'm keeping the stems because they have wonderful flavor, and I'm just going to roughly chop it. And it goes into the blender. And we have 3 jalapenos. Now, honestly, to taste, as you know, we like it spicy. So we're just going to again roughly chop them into the blender.
And in addition to the fresh jalapenos, we also have some nice pickled jalapenos. Now this has a lot of juice in it, and when you buy a jar of jalapenos, it has juice in it, and we're going to use all of the juice. So I believe Kristen said about a 10-ounce jar.
Right, a
and
12-ounce jar.
12-ounce jar for her big batch. So we're kind of halving that recipe. So we have about 5 to 6 ounces of jalapenos, and we have the juice as well. And that's going to go in. And we're going to go ahead and grind this up. And that is a nice smooth paste.
And to this we're going to add 15-ounce jar of mayonnaise.
And we also have a packet of ranch dressing mix. It's a salad dressing or a dip mix. Usually it comes in a packet like that. So we have 1 packet.
Now you can buy any brand. It really doesn't matter. And to that we're going to squeeze half a lime.
And back on top of the blender it goes. And we're going to grind it one more time until it becomes a nice smooth consistency.
Voila! It's done!
That was easy. So that was it. I mean, that was like some super easy recipe right there. But like we said, we can use it as a dip or a salad dressing. So here we got some really beautiful peppers.
Right. So a couple of things. First of all, thank you so much, Kristen, for this awesome recipe. And second of all, this the jalapeno in this, the pickle and the fresh jalapenos, over time they kind of get a little spicier. So it's actually best had after a couple of days.
Yeah.
So, and keep it in the fridge, keep it in a jar, put it in a jar and keep it in the fridge. It'll last for a long, long time.
Right, and just a little tip, if you're going to use it as a salad dressing, buy one of those ketchup mustard squeezy bottles and keep it in there. That way every time you need a salad, just squeeze it over.
Right.
But
Or
cleaner.
Absolutely, great idea. So this is for the dip. Now for the salad dressing, we have a beautiful salad over here.
Just going to drizzle it. That looks yummy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Can't wait to dig in.
I know.
So enjoy this recipe, and if you like this video and you'd like to see more from us, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button.
Thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the little bell icon. That way every time we post a new recipe, you will be the first to know.
Yes, and don't forget to share.
Yes.
Make sure you share this video with all the people you love. And join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Adding a pinch of spice to your life.
Sharing is caring, and we gotta try it, right?
Nice amount of spice.
It hits you at the end, but it's really, really good.
So flavorful. Turn it around. I'm not double dipping.
No double
I'm not
dipping.
double dipping. Turn it around.
Watching you.